Real estate is changing fast in 2025, and it could either help your business grow or leave you behind. I'm going to share 3 simple tips to make sure you don't miss out. Whether you're a small business owner, an investor, or just exploring your first commercial lease, this year is a turning point. The real estate landscape isn't just reacting to economic changes, it's evolving with how people live, work, and shop. And if you're making decisions based on what used to work in 2019, you're already behind. Today, we'll cover the shift in how people use space in this new remote and hybrid work world, why sustainability is now a competitive advantage, and how mixed use and experience first properties are shaping where the money flows in 2025. Let's start with a big one: remote and hybrid work. Traditional office demands are shrinking. Companies are downsizing, co-working spaces are booming, and businesses are choosing flexible leases over long-term commitments. What does this mean for your business? If you're in retail or service and you rely on heavy foot traffic in a business district, you've got to adapt. Maybe that means offering virtual consultations, adding online booking, or moving into a mixed-use building that gives you visibility in both the digital and physical worlds. This isn't about abandoning in-person business, it's about repositioning to where people actually are. And in 2025, people are working from everywhere. Next, sustainability is a serious factor in real estate decisions now. More customers and tenants are prioritizing eco-conscious landlords and green certified buildings. We're talking about businesses that use energy efficient lighting and HVAC, reducing single-use plastics, and prioritizing low waste operations. Why does this matter? Because green certified buildings are getting more attention and better lease terms. Plus, there are real financial benefits like tax incentives, local energy credits, and grants for making green upgrades. And let's not forget the market value. Consumers want to support businesses that reflect their values. If you go green, don't hide it. Make it a part of your brand story. Now let's talk about urbanization, but not the kind you're used to. Hey family, let's take a quick break. I hope you're gaining massive value from this video. But let's be real, over 75% of people watching these videos aren't even subscribed yet. If you're serious about building real wealth and keeping more of your money, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Secondly, if you're a high income business owner or a real estate investor, you're probably overpaying in taxes by 30 to 40% every single year. I can guarantee it. I'm offering free discovery calls right now for those who are ready to take action and take control over their taxes, their business, and their future. That's right. This is your chance to get a personalized, comprehensive plan to keep more of what you earn. I'm talking about saving $10,000 to $50,000 or more in the first year alone. Click the link below to book your free call, but don't wait. Spots are limited. Let's lock in your savings and your strategy. Now, let's get back to the video. Cities are still growing, but they're not just expanding outward. They're building up and in live workplace neighborhoods, mixed-use developments, and transit-focused hubs. What does this mean for your location strategy? If your business is in a shopping plaza that's losing relevance or tucked away in a business parking lot, you may miss where your customers are headed. If you're opening or relocating in 2025, you can't follow price alone. You need to follow people. Find the neighborhoods with energy, the ones building apartments, parks, and co-working spaces all on the block. That's where community plus commerce meets and where your business can thrive. Here's something every brick and mortar business should remember. Online shopping isn't going anywhere. So your physical location, it can't just be about transactions anymore. Ask yourself, can your store offer an immense experience? Can you host live events, pop-ups, or workshops? Can your brand deliver something Amazon can't? The future of retail is transformational, not just transactional. Wellness isn't just a buzzword. It's influencing design and leasing decisions. Customers and employees want natural light, clean air systems, flexible layouts, and thoughtful stress-reducing environments. And the businesses that embracing this, they're seeing lower turnover, stronger loyalty, and better performance overall. From AI-powered lease management to virtual tours to cloud-based access control, tech is transforming how we interact with real estate. In real estate in 2025, it's relational, not just transactional. Consumers want to know, are you locally supporting a cause? Are you collaborating with neighborhood businesses? And are you rooted in your community? That's not fluff. That's the foundation of long-term brand loyalty. Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out my next video where we dive deep into how Gen Z's secrets on saving money. Till next time, I'll see you in the next video.